In the name of Almighty Allah, so today we will discuss lecture number 17, and the first one is repercussion. Its meaning is impact, influence. Next one, nudged. So its meaning is to encourage someone to do something, to incite someone, to instigate someone. Next one, salutary, so its meaning is profitable, favorable. Next one, quixotic, so its meaning is utopian, visionary, idealistic. Next one, recruits, a person who has recently joined the armed forces, novice, newcomer. Next one, steward, so its meaning is to administrate, regulate, supervise, operate, governor, manage. Next one, rapprochement. So its meaning is development of friendlier relationship between countries or group of people. Next one, intransigence. So completely unwilling to change, very stubborn. Next one, fomenting. So its meaning is instigate, incite. Next one, hostility. So its meaning is animosity, grudge, enmity, antipathy. Next one, chatter. So its meaning is casual talk that is usually not important or interesting. Next one, resorts. So a place where people go for vacations. Next one, dismaying. So its meaning is daunt, demoralize, dishearten, discourage, disparate. Next one, squabbling, to argue loudly about things that are not important, trivial. Next one, sobriety, the quality of being serious. Rivalry, so its meaning is competition, confrontation, combat, contention. Next one, tread, so its meaning is subdue, crush, walk heavily or roughly, baggage. So the meaning of baggage is past history, experience, or opinion that may have disadvantageous or having negative effect. Next one, resentment, so its meaning is feeling of anger or displeasure. Next one, insistence, so its meaning is insisting, pressure, press. Next one, curtailing, so the meaning of curtailing is to shorten, to reduce, to limit. Next one, allege, so its meaning is claim. Next one, indignation, so the meaning of indignation is angry. Next one, pretext, so the meaning of pretext is a reason that give you to hide your real reason for doing something. Next one, subsidize it, so support it, having partial financial support from public funds. Next one, forthcoming, appearing, happening, or something which is arriving soon. Next one, provocative, so its meaning is exciting, sexual desire, incite or stimulate. Next one, incendiary, so arousing to action or rebellion. It is also used to stir up fire. Next one, abyss, so the meaning of abyss is deep. And the last one is stashed, so its meaning is a hiding place. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Downtimes. If you people have any question, so ask us in comment section. Thank you and stay blessed.